Hi there. Alright, today we're going to be making some taco salads. I have here 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. I got my seasonings right here. And get that in there first. This has got the salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, little chipotle powder in there. Be generous because there's 2 pounds of beef here. At that, for a little bit of heat, I'm going with some red pepper. Not much. Maybe about half a teaspoon. How's that? I got some fresh garlic. Drop that in there, about 2 cloves. Just gonna mash in there real good. Get this mashed in there. Looks pretty good. Alright, today we are using our smoker to cook our ground beef. I have my cast iron skillet here. It's from Lodge. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can pick it up on my Amazon store. But just drop that ground beef right on in there. So what you want to do is let this brown up for a little bit until it's completely cooked through. I like working with cast iron because it holds the heat a lot longer, and it does a great job for browning up the meat. And always remember, whenever you're using a cast iron, you always want to use a wooden spoon or a wooden spatula. Never anything metal. You don't want to cut your cast iron. You don't want to cut into it. You don't want to make any scratches on it. Alright, so now we got the hamburger cooking. We're going to go ahead and get the fixings for the taco. We're going to start out by chopping up some tomatoes. Then we got some onion. Then we got some lettuce. We'll start out with the tomatoes first. We'll get in there and go, whoa. Whoa, what's happening? Oh shit, what's happening? What's happening? Alright, we are back. Whew, man. That lettuce, tomato, and onion are done. Got some avocado here. I already chopped it up and put it inside there. I have some fresh basil and some fresh oregano. We'll drop that in there. Give this a good little Alright, I have here about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and gotta keep the vampires away, 2 cloves of garlic. Get that in there. I'll take a couple of these diced tomatoes, drop them in there. Why? Because we can. Go ahead and put this aside. Now, let's go check our meat, see how our meat is doing. Now that's looking good. Get these broken up. Go ahead. Put your jalapenos in there. Put all your other peppers that you want in there. Me, I'm a Mild Johnson. I can't take that real strong. Now we're gonna go ahead and prep those tacos. Alright, so I got here these little pie plates, and I went ahead and took some taco shells or soft shell tacos. I formed them inside here like this. 4 taco shells. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description below on my Amazon to pick up these little shells. They make the perfect little taco salads. Put them right in there like that. And these are going to crust up nicely. Alright, back here now. Go ahead and take these shells off. They are getting nice and crunchy. About there like that. Be careful, these will be hot. Alright. One more stir around. Let's say we build ourselves a taco. How's that sound? Alright. Take a scoop of this. Put it right inside there. Try to drain out most of the juice. Don't all of it, but most of it. Fill the bottom of that up. You can always put more or less in there. All up to you. Now here we got some Mexican 4-cheese blend. Nice little helping on that on there. And then we're going to take that. We're going to put it back on the smoker and let that cheese melt down a little bit. Alright, when we come back, we'll get the rest of these all done up for you. Got some nice browning on there. Those tortilla shells are nice and crisp. Alright, we're going to start out first with a little bit of sour cream. Come over here, a little bit of guacamole. Hey, do me a favor, leave a comment below. What is your favorite topping to put on your tacos? Alright, got some tomato. On there. Got some nice sliced Vidalia onion. And got some lettuce. We need our vegetables. You can take them right out of the shell. Put the shell to the side. And you can go ahead and make more of them, folks. There you go, right there. They call it a taco salad. These things are delicious. They're fun to eat. And you just have a ball with them. Your kids will love them. Hey, it came out perfect. And I cooked on the Pitbull smoker. So, there you go. Potatoes au gratin on the Pitbull smoker.